Hey guys, this is Miguel Retrospect here with another video, and this is to inform you guys about the common problem that happens with the C5s and C6 as well. And if you drive and you start to hear like a clunking noise and stuff, like maybe while turning or going over bumps or sometimes even braking, like this one, it's happening to do, all of the above. I'm sure you guys heard, but this is to reassure. This is the sway bar. So right now both of my wheels are off and I have it on jack stands, both sides on the front. And this is the sway bar that goes on the front of the vehicle. And then these are the end links that I'm about to show you. Like this one, this is the right side. If you move it, doesn't make any sort of noise. That was actually my hand. See, feels tight. However, I'm gonna walk to the other side where right here we can see the left hand side, the driver's side. And if you grab it, I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna try to position the phone right here. See if I can capture that. Hopefully you guys got that, but this one is just way too loose and seems to have play on it pretty bad already. So I'm going to take it off and replace it. I'm gonna replace both because this one's gonna be going out soon too. When I move this one's tight. That's how it should be. However, not tight to my preference. And to remove these is actually pretty easy. So you're gonna need the following. You're gonna need a torks. I'm not sure if it's a 45 or a 40. Let me make sure. And you're gonna put one end where do I get it? Right here. Okay. Looks like. Okay. That's strange. It's a 40 in the middle, and then it takes an 18mm wrench on the outside. And then to remove those, I'm just gonna grab a ratchet. Actually, can't grab the ratchet. Yeah, I need it. Got it. And I'm going to grab an 18mm wrench with the ratchet end, just to try to make the process faster. And if you guys bear with me, I'll try to remove it. If I can focus on it. Let me see. Right there. Yep. So this is it right there. And I'm gonna try to show you guys. You can try to break it loose first, but most of the time it does not work because it moves the whole thing. But you need to put your torques and actually loosen it at the same time. On the right sides. And since it has that, hold with one and use preferably a ratchet wrench to remove the bolt. You can also spin the ratchet, however, there's too much pressure sometimes on the torques, and you might damage the thread inside. Or sorry, not the thread, but the hole for the ratchet. For the torques. You see, once the nut is off, and you can just remove this. You can just go and finish removing that. Just like that. And then the other one, you have to do the same thing. It's just a little bit trickier because it's facing the opposite way. So what some people do is they remove the whole sway bar, which is just held by 2 bolts right there and 2 bolts on the other side, and that's it. So that way you can do it outside, but it's totally not necessary. You can definitely do them in here. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna redo them. Just undo totally this side while it's still on the car. So I'm gonna grab my ratchet wrench again. Try to see if I can get it loose. Which I cannot. Okay, there it goes. And then just use the torques. Just give it a second. On this side, I'm gonna have to use an extension just to reach back here. I'll show you guys in a second. Just gotta make this work first. Taking off the sway board doesn't sound so bad at this moment. You can see it's already off. Just need to completely remove the nut. There's no cut on this video. It has to be done real life so that you guys know how long it takes. Okay, with the exception of lifting the vehicle and putting it on jack stands. Okay, looks like it's off right there. Yes, it is. Okay, now it's completely off. And this is the only two things that it takes. It's 2 of these nuts. I dropped one off. And yeah. Yeah, this is messed up. This seems better, but it's just way too loose. So I'm going to replace this one. And just to note, this is already the model that came with the aluminum ones. I'm aware that on the earlier models, I think all the way to 2097 to 2000 actually came with plastic ones. So these are the aluminum ones, which are better but still go bad, you know, just as a wearable part, any wearable part. So make sure you guys upgrade to them, and for another video like this, or you know, to keep up with what's going on with my bat, just, you know, subscribe, I guess, like this video, and yeah, that's it for now.